Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we will discuss about the most important general knowledge part 5. First question. What is the name of the Indian's highest civilian awards? Option A Padma Shri, option B Padma Bhushan, option C Bharat Ratna, option D Padma Vibhushan. The answer is option C Bharat Ratna. Option C is the correct answer. Bharat Ratna is the highest civilian award in India. Next, which Indian river is also called the Dakshina Ganga, Ganga of South? Option A Godavari, option B Krishna, option C Kaveri, option D Mahanandi. The answer is option A. Godavari is known as the Ganga of South. Next, which constitutional article deals with the emergency provisions in India? Option A Article 356, option B Article 360, option C Article 352, option D Article 370. The answer is option C Article 352. Option C is the correct answer. Next, who invented the periodic table? Option A John Dalton, option B Dimitri Mendeleev, option C Antony Lavoisier, option D J.J. Thomson. The answer is option B Dimitri Mendeleev. Option B is the correct answer. Next, who was the last Governor General of independent India? Option A C Rajagopalachari, option B Lord Mountbatten, option C Warren Hastings, option D Jawaharlal Nehru. The answer is option A C Rajagopalachari. Option A is the correct answer. Next, which state in India is the largest producer of rice? Option A Punjab, option B West Bengal, option C Andhra Pradesh, option D Tamil Nadu. The answer is option B West Bengal. West Bengal is the largest producer of rice. Answer B is the correct answer. Next, what is the chemical formula of common salt? Option A NaCl, option B KCl, option C NaOH, option D CaCl2. The answer is option A. NaCl is common formula of salt. Next, which Indian leader gave the slogan "Do or Die"? Option A Jawaharlal Nehru, option B Mahatma Gandhi, option C Subhash Chandra Bose, option D Bal Gangadhar Tilak. The answer is option B Mahatma Gandhi. Option B is the correct answer. Mahatma Gandhi. Next, which city is known as the Manchester of India? Option A Delhi, option B Ahmedabad, option C Mumbai, option D Surat. The answer is option B. Ahmedabad is known as the Manchester of India. Next, what is the name of India's national song? Option A Jana Gana Mana Yudhi, option B Sare Jahan Se Acha, option C Vande Mataram, option D A Mere Watan Ke Logo. The answer is option C. Vande Mataram is the national song and national anthem is Jana Gana Mana Yudhi. Next, what is the shape of the earth? Option A flat, option B round, option C oval, option D ovalate spheroid. The answer is option D Oblate spheroid. Option D is the correct answer. Next. In which year was the UNO, United Nations Organization, founded? Option A 1940, option B 1945, option C 1950, option D 1939. The answer is option B 1945. UNO 1945 UNO was found. Next. Who was the first female IPS officer in India? Option A Kiran Bedi, option B Isha Pant, option C Rani Gaidilun, option D Indira Gandhi. The answer is option A. Kiran Bedi was the first female IPS officer in India. Option A is the correct answer. Kiran Bedi. Next. Which Indian city is known as the Electronic City? Option A Noida, option B Pune, option C Bangalore, option D Hyderabad. The answer is option C Bangalore. Option C Bangalore is known as the Electronic City, also known as the Valicon City of India. Next. What is the longest river in India? Option A Ganga, option B Amuna, option C Brahmaputra, option D Godavari. The answer is option A. Ganga is the longest river in India. Next. Who is the current UN Secretary General as of 2025? Option A Antonio Guterres, option B Ban Ki-moon, option C Kofi Annan, option D Tedros Adhanom. The answer is option A Antonio Guterres. Next. What does LPG stand for? Option A liquid petroleum gas, option B light petroleum gas, option C long pressure gas, option D liquid pure gas. The answer is option A liquid petroleum gas. Option A is the correct answer. Next. Which Indian state has the highest population as per latest data? Option A Maharashtra, option B Bihar, option C Uttar Pradesh, option D West Bengal. The answer is option C. Uttar Pradesh has the highest population as per latest data. Option C is the correct answer. Next. What is the scientific name of banyan tree? Option A Aja directa indica, option B Ficus bengalensis, option C Mangifera indica, option D Ficus religiosa. The answer is option B Ficus bengalensis. Option B is the correct answer. Next. What is the capital of Sri Lanka? Option A Colombo, option B Kandy, option C Jaffna, option D Delhi. The answer is option A Colombo. Colombo is known as the Sri Lanka capital. Next. Who was the first recipient of Bharat Ratna? Option A C Rajagopalachari, option B Dr. S. Radhakrishnan, option C C.V. Raman, option D all of the above. The answer is option D all of the above, because they all got in the same year and the same time got the Bharat Ratna. Next. Which blood group is universal donor? Universal donor, option A AB positive, option B O positive, option C O negative, option D AB negative. The answer is option C. O negative is also known as the universal donor and AB positive known as universal receiver. Next. What is the full form of Wi-Fi? Option A, wireless finder. Option B, wireless fidelity. Option C, wide frequency. Option D, wireless framework. The answer is option B, wireless fidelity. Option B is the correct answer. Next, what is the hardest natural substance on the earth? Option A, gold. Option B, quartz. Option C, diamond. Option D, iron. The answer is option C, diamond. Diamond is the most hardest natural substance on the earth. Option C. Next, who discovered the vaccine for smallpox? Option A, Louis Pasteur. Option B, Edward Jenner. Option C, Alexander Fleming. Option D, Robert Koch. The answer is option B, Edward Jenner. The answer is option B, Edward Jenner discovered